gör under ett PR-besök i Stockholm 1987.
Do you think that things have gone too fast? Would you like to sort of turn the clock back, make it a bit slower?
I think sometimes I would want things just to stop for a moment. Just stop, just for a moment. And when I'm feeling that way, I know that it's time to stop, and I stop everything. I don't want to deal with Whitney. I don't want to hear about Whitney news. I don't want to hear about Whitney's records. I don't want to hear about anything Whitney is doing.
Och det är nu vi börjar den andra delen i sagan om Whitney. Den där bilden av stjärnan förändras.